Welcome, my fellow investors. My name is Marcus, and in this video, I'm going to guide you through Freetrade and how you can actually make money on Freetrade. Now, I've been investing to stocks and ETFs for about 4 years right now, and I'm not saying that I have a lot of experience, but I made so many mistakes, and in this video, I'm going to talk about it too, but this is just for the beginners. If you're already making money on stocks, you don't have to watch this video, but if you're first time downloading the Freetrade application, maybe this video will be useful to you and what you should be careful about, because I made a lot of mistakes and I'm going to make a lot of mistakes in future because that's the only way how we can many times learn. So you're gonna make a mistake, you reflect on the mistake, you're not doing it again. That's the best thing, when you would reflect the past years and you're like, oh my God, how could I say that? How could I behave like that? That's the effect that you're growing. You are better than you were 2 years ago, and that's good. If you are same like you were a few years ago, I would be really careful. So let's go and let me teach you how you can make money on Freetrade. So when you come here and to Freetrade, there are multiple ways what you can do. You can come to general investment account, in which you can buy ETFs and you can buy stocks. You can buy also fractional shares on a piece of even the most expensive US shares. So let's say that you're gonna have only $100 and the stock costs 1,000. You're gonna buy only 1 of the 10 of the stock. So that's really important. And then ETFs. Now stocks are fascinating thing. ETFs are really good for long-term investing, and that's what I invest mainly. One of the reasons why I invest a lot to ETFs is that after a year I don't have to pay any taxes in my country. That's amazing. But other than that, Freetrade offers you only stocks and ETFs. Then we will get to it and what are the mistakes that you should be careful about when you want to invest to stocks and ETFs. Then you're gonna have the investment individual savings account, tax efficiency, no UK capital gains or income tax on your investments, long-term investment. And this is the fees are really good. So that's something you can definitely check out. And then you go Freetrade Plus. So you're gonna have go further with your investing. That's something you can also check out. And access more stocks, exclusive collections. Go Plus, earn 3% on cash in Freetrade Plus. And that's really good. And you Freetrade Plus membership. Now these are the ones what you can actually invest to. But what you want to be careful about when you're gonna use Freetrade. Many people, also I did, that if you're gonna invest for a long time, don't check the accounts all the time. Don't check the investment accounts every single month, how your portfolio is doing. Okay, just information. But don't be every day checking it up. Oh my God, I just bought a stock of Tesla. It's dropping, I'm down 70 pounds, whatever, $70. Oh my God, mamma mia, what I'm gonna do? No, if you believe into the company, do your own research. So, let's say that you like Tesla, you like Facebook, you like Amazon, I don't care. Do the research why you like it. Do you think that you can invest into the company for the next 5 years? Or let's say next year? If so, you don't care about if it drops or no, because you actually like the company. Don't listen to Reddit or top 3 stocks to buy in August or something, Do your own research. This is something I always say, question everything, because you got no idea if the person who is telling you to invest to some stocks is paid or something, or it's a bot on Reddit, who knows? But just be careful, because I made the mistake that I felt such a, oh my God, you should definitely buy that stock, and bang, it went down, whatever, man. How is that even possible, right? But in the moment when I invest to companies that I personally like Shopify, 2 years back, I was saying that to myself that Shopify is top-notch thing. And I love their e-commerce stock. I loved it. And I invested and I'm doing really well on that stock. I love Toby as a CEO of Shopify and I trust him. So that's why I would definitely recommend to check, to do it like me in that way. And the next thing is that if you're gonna, even if your portfolio is going to be down, don't just sell it. This is many times what people are doing. They're going to sell when they're down, but yet the stock could go up 2-3 years from now. When you don't need the money, leave it there. And that's another thing. Another thing is that don't try to get rich quick. Many times when people come on the platform, they're like, oh my god, I'm going to buy stocks, I'm going to buy whatever, and I'm going to be so damn rich. I wouldn't personally recommend doing that. I would be careful about it, and I would think long term. Like, slow and steady wins the race. It's always like that. The ones who is searching for shortcuts, how we can make money on penny stocks, it's risky. It's not good. But other than that, like, these are my general advice that I have for you for if you want to trade on Freetrade. When you look on a Freetrade here, app is okay. I mean, like 4.5 stars are pretty good. And it's really similar to Revolut application. And you can also like to Robinhood if you ever used. And you can see right here, betting, CFDs, and complex products, day trading. This is actually like literally on not like with how it's called, that you can like day trade and stuff with markets. You can use it on mobile, and you're just gonna buy stocks and just hold it. This is like really cool thing to do. I really believe in that. So Freetrade is a good option how we can make money, and I would recommend if you just want to buy stocks. My recommendation would be also use Trading 212, the hero, and if you can have like more money, don't just invest through the app on Freetrade, but have it diversified, okay? That's really important. So have diversified your portfolio, and with Freetrade, that's possible too. But definitely check Trading 212, maybe possible eToro, and that's pretty much it. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you, provide some guidance, feedback. You know how it goes, you know how it is. So yeah, to summarize it, do your own research on stocks that you want to buy. Invest into those that you actually like. Don't invest into stocks that are like, damn, I don't want to like have to do anything to do with them, right? Also, that's the first thing. The second thing is that you should definitely think long term. Don't, when you see your stocks in red, immediately sell them. If you don't need the money, just it's okay to leave it there. Only if you need it, and if you're like, okay, this stock is going to crash hard, then so it's completely up to you. And the next thing, really important also, that I would definitely recommend, invest only money that you don't need. Like, build up your emergency fund first, then invest money. Don't do it like, okay, I'm going to send all my paycheck there, and I'm not going to be I can't pay my rent. So that's a not good strategy. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, Freetrade with general investment account. This is how we can make money on Freetrade, stocks and shares. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a great day, and leave down in the comments if you like this video, and also we can subscribe. So see ya.